thunderstorm was located just north of Bowie, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm... Thunderstorm warning for Jack County in north central Texas, Wise County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing hail-like ping pong ball size. The strongest storm is located just east of Jacksboro and is moving east into Wise County at 25 miles per hour. Another severe storm is moving into Jack County and is located north of Bison. The severe thunderstorm will be here, Bridgeport around 6:35 p.m., Cottontail around 6:40 p.m., Decatur and Boyd around 6:55 p.m. If you are caught outside,
that's in 1 hour.
In a strong building and stay inside, away
It's a lot of
from
rain.
windows until the storm has passed. This storm has a history of producing large hail.
Uh-oh. We got a little triangle right there. That is a bad sign.